Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore your Google Authenticator codes if let's say you have lost your mobile phone or any other issue. So I'll show you how you can step by step restore or recover those codes. So the first thing is just download the Google Authenticator app from your App Store or Play Store, like install Google Authenticator on your new phone. And after that, just sign in or log in with your email address, and once you sign in you can see those codes and just turn off two-factor authentication. If Google Authenticator wasn't backed up onto the cloud, check your sign-in accounts, and if you don't have access to your original phone or installation, you might be in luck if you are still logged on into these accounts. So just make sure to download this app and turn off this factor from your application. Turn off two-factor authentication, and you can also, this is the temporarily disabled two-factor, which is possible on Discord and Microsoft, and there are some other websites as well which offer this kind of option. But let's say you are in this situation, like you're not logged in with your account, you are just do not remember the password or the email, or you are just facing any kind of issue and are not able to log in with your account. So you can follow this method, like restore access to your account. So the first thing is, try to log in. Like, let's say if your email or phone number is linked to the accounts you have added to the authenticator, you should be able to use the site or app account recovery method to get back. If not, you can just create backup codes from any of the sites you use to log in. So every application or every website gives the option to create the backup recovery codes without the needing of Google Authenticator. So you can just copy those codes from those websites, either it's Facebook or any other website. So just copy those codes, save to your phone, and you will be able to log in with those codes from the next time. If you try to log in, you should be prompted for your authentication code. Look around and click try another way, and it may work differently. Once you log into your account, reset the link to your authenticator. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can restore or recover your Google authentication codes and log into your accounts.